Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Reset option and tap on Reset Network Settings. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So as you can see, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. We've got this one package. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. So just do it. And here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So you can still go back and do not reset settings. However, if you are sure, just tap on Reset Network Settings here. We've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.